Once a young man named Arjun lived in the peaceful village of Shiravasti. Arjun was a diligent student, always striving to learn more and achieve greatness. However, his mind was constantly plagued by overthinking. No matter how hard he tried, he couldn't stop racing with thoughts of the past and worries about the future. One day, Arjun heard that Gautam Buddha was visiting the village. Eager to find a solution to his restless mind, he sought Buddha's guidance. He approached Buddha with a troubled heart and said, "Master, my mind is always racing with thoughts. I keep overthinking every decision and situation. How can I find peace?" Buddha looked at Arjun with kind eyes and said, "Let me tell you a story, Arjun." Buddha began. Once a man named Sudhipantka was plagued by overthinking. He worried about everything and could never find peace. His mind was like a raging storm, constantly churning with thoughts. One day, Sudhipantka approached me and asked for help. I told him to sit quietly and observe his breath. I asked him to focus only on his breathing, letting go of all other thoughts. Arjun listened intently, hanging on to every word. Buddha continued. Sudhipantka followed my advice. At first, it was very difficult for him. His mind would wander and he would get caught up in his thoughts again. But he persevered. Slowly, he began to notice the spaces between his thoughts. He realized his mind was calm and peaceful when focused only on his breath. Arjun was intrigued. Did he stop overthinking completely? He asked. Buddha smiled. Over time, Sudhipantka's practice of mindfulness grew stronger. He learned to observe his thoughts without getting caught up in them. He understood that thoughts are like clouds passing in the sky. They come and go but do not define him. He found inner peace by focusing on the present moment and his breath. Arjun nodded, feeling hopeful. But Master, how can I apply this in my life? Buddha replied, Arjun, the key to overcoming overthinking lies in mindfulness and meditation. Start by setting aside a few minutes daily to sit quietly and focus on your breath. When thoughts arise, acknowledge them without judgment and gently bring your attention back to your breathing. With practice, you will learn to observe your thoughts without getting entangled. Arjun thanked Buddha and decided to follow his advice. He started practicing mindfulness and meditation daily. At first, it was not easy, but he persisted. Gradually, he noticed his mind becoming calmer. He could focus on the present moment without getting lost in thoughts of the past or worries about the future. As weeks passed, Arjun's practice deepened. He found that he was more aware of his thoughts and emotions. Instead of being overwhelmed by them, he observed them with a sense of detachment. This newfound awareness brought a sense of peace and clarity to his mind. Arjun realized that his overthinking stemmed from his desire to control everything and his fear of the unknown. By practicing mindfulness, he learned to relinquish his need for control and embrace the present moment. He understood that life is entirely uncertain, but worrying about them only robs him of his peace. With each passing day, Arjun's confidence grew. He no longer felt paralyzed by his thoughts. Instead, he embraced them as a natural part of his mind's activity. Knowing they would pass like clouds in the sky, he focused on what he could control and let go of the rest. Arjun's transformation was remarkable. His friends and family noticed the change in him. He was more present, more engaged, and more at peace. He became a source of inspiration for others who struggled with overthinking. Buddha's teachings had shown him the way to inner peace, and Arjun was forever grateful. He continued to practice mindfulness and meditation, knowing that the journey of self-discovery and inner peace was ongoing. The story of Arjun teaches us that overthinking is a habit that can be changed with mindfulness and meditation. We can find peace and clarity by focusing on the present moment and observing our thoughts without judgment. Remember, thoughts are like clouds. They come and go, but do not define us. Embrace the present moment and trust the journey.